Hey guys, welcome to Xtremers channel. So Windows 11 has been launched, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, then please subscribe to this channel because I will soon upload a video tutorial to tell you how can you download Windows 11 on your device. I will also provide offline Windows installation ISO files, so stay tuned on this channel. Also join our WhatsApp, Facebook group and pages for latest updates about this. Windows 11 has a new look and feel that designed to be more attractive but also more user friendly. Every important display icon on the right side of Windows taskbar is like its previous version, with all important apps pinned also on taskbar. There is new start button that's placed at the center, and pressing it can show you your recent files, docs and apps. The new start menu drops the live tiles that were originally introduced with Windows 8 and opts for more of the typical launcher you would find in Chrome OS or Android. There are apps, recent document and separate search interface. Much of the centered appearance is clearly influenced by macOS and Chrome OS. Windows 11 now lets you personalize different desktop with their own wallpaper. Windows 11 now features snap layout. You can pick the snap layout that you want to choose so you can run multiple apps at the same time. The same thing applies to the new docking experience. If you unplug a monitor to move rooms, the windows that were on your monitor will minimize when you go back and then reconnect to a dock. All of the windows will reappear the way they were before. Microsoft is attempting to make Teams much more mainstream by integrating it directly into Windows 11. Chat from Microsoft Teams lets you connect through video calls but also text or voice. Windows comes with a widget which brings you a feed, info you can personalize, and you can decide how you want it to appear on your desktop. Design is also automatically adaptable. Windows 11 contains a number of tweaks to input, particularly when it comes to touch. The on-screen keyboard is both redesigned and customizable. Windows 11 also featured enhanced voice recognition for text input, with Microsoft promising more accurate voice-to-text transcription and automatic punctuation. It also comes with a switch desktop function, same available in Windows 10, to make your work easier. Gaming has always been a big part of Windows, that's obviously continuing with Windows 11. Microsoft is just introducing some new features specifically aimed at improving the gaming experience in its operating system. Specifically, Auto HDR is coming to the Windows 11. Later this year, Microsoft says that you will be able to find Android apps in Microsoft Store and download them through the Amazon App Store. It is compatible with any device, not dependent on a particular brand as before. Thank you for watching. We will soon post video about how to download Windows 11, so don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video to make me post next video sooner. Thank you.